Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, your number one friend in the crypto space that actually helps you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So right here guys, on this video, I really appreciate that you are tuning in today. And on this video, we are going to be talking about the Grass Airdrop. If you mine Grass Airdrop, or if you actually participated on Grass Airdrop, you have less than 48 hours before you lose all that you have mined so far. So if you actually participated on Grass Airdrop, this video is for you. But if you are hearing Grass Airdrop for the first time, I'm so sorry to inform you, but you have already missed out on this opportunity. But you might want to look out on this video because you might learn one or two things that's going to be helping you on your future airdrop that you're going to be participating on. So right now, without talking much, let's now get straight into the business. So recently, Grass Airdrop made an announcement concerning the deadline to a certain task which they actually provided, and they gave out the deadline which is on the Sunday 9th of September 2024. That is the last Sunday of September. You have less than 48 hours to actually do what I'm going to be showing you right here on this video, as you are going to be losing out all your coin that you have earned so far. So first of all, let me now take you to my dashboard right now. This is my own account, obviously. So over here guys, you can see my dashboard is about to get open right now. Pay close attention. Let me show you guys some things you need to make sure you have done before you actually get to lose all that you have mined so far. So what's right now, let me quickly introduce what Grass is. So Grass is a DPIM project that actually rewards users for just sharing their internet connections. So on this Grass, you don't need to tap, you do not need to claim. All you have to do is simply make sure that you are connected to the internet. All right, so right here guys, pay close attention. Let me show you guys what you need to do right here. But before I proceed fully into the video and tell you what you need to do before the next 48 hours, please, if you like this type of content, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel by going below the video you are watching right now and clicking over here guys on this subscription button. It actually means the whole world to us, and we really do appreciate it. So after that, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up and tell us what you think about the video on the comment section. We really appreciate it. All right, so right now, let's now go back into the business. So let me take you to the X account of Grass right here. So over here guys, you can see I am on their official handle right here, and over here they made announcements recently about 3 days ago concerning the final approach towards the airdrop. And over here guys, they said right here, you can see reminder, connect your Solana wallet on the Grass dashboard before Monday, September 30th, 8 p.m. all right, so right now, today is actually 28th of September, so this means that you have less than 48 hours or around 48 hours before you can actually before you actually lose this opportunity actually. So before that, you need to make sure that you have connected your Solana wallet address. So right now the question is, how do you actually connect your Solana wallet address? So over here guys, let me now put you through how you can be able to do this. Actually, I have done mine, but I'm still gonna be telling you guys how you can be able to do yours. So right, you can see they actually Bitget actually wrote something right here. They said, have you checked out the leading AI plus DPIM project Get Grass? So over here you can see, connect your Solana wallet in Grass before October 1st. Okay, over here guys, you can see Bitget said before October 1st, and Grass itself said before 30th of September. So right here guys, you can see that they're a little bit different, and over here they say to secure your spot in the first airdrop. All right, so right now guys, you need to connect this before 30th as already said by Get Grass. All right, unlike how Bitget actually said it. So this actually confused a lot of people, and I believe right now I have been able to clarify you. You need to make sure you connect it. We follow the rules of the people that owns the project, not just a wallet of its own. But over here guys, I believe maybe Bitget has something cooking for the people that are participating on it, whatever. But they say right here guys that after connecting your Solana wallet address, in the future you will be able to claim your Grass using Bitget too. All right, so right now guys, let me now take you guys through the main process right now. So over here guys, you can see I am on my dashboard. So over here guys, this is how your dashboard actually looks like. I'm not going to be starting afresh to explain what is showing on the dashboard. Let me go straight to the point. So what I need you to do right now to be able to secure your airdrop allocation and not to miss it is that you need to come over here that we have the reward. Okay, you can see reward right here, you click on it. So actually, if you have missed out on this, maybe you are seeing this video after 30th September, you have to wait, because the only thing is that if you didn't do what I'm going to be showing you right here, it means that you are not going to be among the first persons that are going to be claiming the airdrop. Rather, your own is going to be on the second batch. All right, so right here guys, you can see this is the countdown. So literally, I think we have up to more than 48 hours. Actually, we have more than 48 hours. So over here guys, what you need to do right here is so simple. For example, right now you can see over here that you can see verify email address, verify wallet address, and then confirm wallet in email. So this process is actually very simple. I have actually done mine successfully, but I still find the need to explain to you guys. So when you come to this section, on this raw section, yours is going to be showing like this. You can see your screen right now, the picture showing right there. That is how your own is going to be showing. So right now, what you need to do for is simply make sure you add your email address first. Okay, so you add your email address first, and after that you are going to be connecting your Phantom wallet address. You can either connect your Phantom wallet address or just any Solana based wallet. All right, that's what it requires right here. Not your MetaMask, not your Trust wallet, but Solana based wallet. Okay, so when you, after connecting the wallet, then you go ahead to confirm wallet in email. So once you have done doing this, you are now in the best position to get your airdrop from grass. All right, so right here guys, this is all you need to know about this. If you haven't done this yet, you can see your countdown right here. Obviously, go right now to your wallet address to do this. If you don't know how to do this, let me know on the comment section and I will make a separate video with a new account to explain how you can actually be able to connect your wallet to this. Do not forget that we also have another project called Down. Down is another DPIN project that actually pays you for sharing your internet connection. So if you haven't joined that yet, check out the list of my video. You are going to be seeing a video that actually explains how you can actually position yourself for Down's airdrop, which is the one that is currently running right now. So right now, I believe you have gotten a value out of this video. After connecting your wallet, make sure you see this message before you leave. Okay, wallet successfully connected before you leave. Okay, so this is all you need to know about this right now. If you haven't taken this action, take it right now because you are about to get disqualified. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in today, and I believe you got a value. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Please do not leave this channel without subscribing to me. It actually means the whole world to me, and it also go a long way to motivate me to provide more video that's going to be helping us together in the crypto space. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my videos that are going to be dropping soon. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.